Melio is one of the most talked about tools for businesses looking to streamline their payment processes. But before you decide to buy, there are 7 things you need to know. This video will break them down, and trust me, you're going to want to stick around for the last point because it could make or break your decision. First off, Melio is designed to simplify bill payments. If you're running a business, paying vendors, contractors, and even suppliers can get messy. Unlike traditional payment methods, Melio allows you to pay bills via bank transfer, debit, or credit card without a fee for ACH payments. That's a huge bonus over other services that typically charge for ACH or wire transfers. Next thing you should know is that Melio is known for its easy integration with accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero. If you're already using these platforms, setting up Melio is a breeze, and that can save you a ton of time compared to other payment processors, which often require complex integrations. I've personally used it with QuickBooks, and the process felt seamless. The third thing is that Melio offers flexibility with payments. Unlike some competitors, which force you to stick to one payment method, Melio lets you pay by credit card even if the vendor doesn't accept credit card payments. This is a game changer for businesses looking to maximize rewards and float their cash flow, something that other competitors like Bill.com might not offer in such a straightforward way. Next thing to consider is that Melio offers a free service. But there are some catches. While most of the core features, such as paying via bank transfer and sending virtual cards, are free, if you want to use a credit card for payments, there's a fee. Still, it's usually lower than what you'd pay with other services. Unlike some competitors, you're not stuck with a premium-only option that doesn't offer much in terms of free features. The fifth thing you need to be aware of is that Melio is great for small to medium-sized businesses, but might not be ideal for larger companies. While Melio handles everything from vendor payments to tracking bills, it lacks some of the advanced features that enterprise-level solutions offer. This means if you're running a huge operation with a lot of cross-department payments, you might want to look at other options like Bill.com or TippleT. Next up, customer service with Melio is generally reliable. But it's not perfect. When you're dealing with payments, you want to be able to get support quickly. In my experience, the support team has been helpful, but response times can vary. For businesses that need constant assistance or have complex payment issues, this might be a small inconvenience, especially compared to competitors like Bill.com, where support is typically more robust. The last thing you should know is that Melio offers a best price guarantee for the product through the first link in the description below. If you're on the fence about signing up, this is a great way to get started without fully committing to the service. By using the link, you'll get exclusive benefits and a completely free trial, which means you can experience Melio without any risk or commitment. So, should you buy Melio? If you're a smaller business looking for a straightforward and affordable way to handle payments, it could be a perfect fit. But if you're running a large-scale enterprise, the lack of more advanced features might push you to explore other options. If you're ready to give it a try, just click the first link in the description below for the best free trial and exclusive offers.